I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Jaguar XJ. So we'll just find Bluetooth onto Bluetooth, watching out at the bottom. Over here you've got phone there, click on phone, search new, really easy system. Vehicle to device, watching out at the bottom and watching the screen. Taking its time. Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, click on that. To pair and connect phone, enter 5434 on handset, and just wait for it to come up here. There you go. So it's 5434, 5434, pair. Allow contacts and sync. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Allow connecting to Barry's iPhone 15 Pro, and that's it paired.